Hey everyone, welcome back to the Palace of Polish. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to thin gloopy nail polish. This stuff is really thick. It's a Clean Color brand, and it actually came this way. I've had it for years, so it's only gotten worse, but it was already pretty thick to start with. I actually have about 12 different colors, or maybe more, in the Clean Color brand, and all of them seem to be a little on the thick side, so we're going to thin it out. Now, the reason that I'm making this video is because several of my girlfriends think that it is okay to thin your nail polish out with acetone. No, it is not. Acetone is designed to break down nail polish. That's how it takes it out. It destroys it. So while that might work one time, by the time that you come back to use that color again, it's going to be water with chunks floating around in it. It's really horrible. I've done it. We've all done it. But yeah, it's just going to ruin your nail polish. We've all got colors that we love that have gotten thick over the years. So these bottles of nail polish thinner, you get a 2-ounce bottle for about $7. And to me, that's worth it because, you know, you might have that limited edition color that no longer is made or was only made for a short time, or, you know, whatever, and you just love it. And when it becomes thick, a lot of us just either throw them out or try the acetone method. Either way, you wind up with a ruined nail polish. So you see how thick and gloopy that is. That is not what nail polish is supposed to be. So we are going to thin it out. Now, according to the instructions on this bottle, it says add 1 to 2 drops and then add more as needed. So we're going to start. Just going to start with 4 drops. I do believe there's a ball in here. I don't know. We'll find out. Look at that. It's already starting to thin out. Oh, I can hear the bottle, or the ball, excuse me. I can hear the ball in there. It's starting to thin out. See how it's starting to cover the sides of the bottle? You can already see it working. Let's just shake that up for a minute. Better, but it still doesn't flow, so we're gonna open that up again. That was 4 drops, I believe. But look, you can already see how it's looking better, so we're gonna add 2 more drops. There we go. Let's go back in. Can start to see it flowing a little bit better in there. It's still not where I want it to be. I really like my nail polish to be kind of on the thin side. For a couple of reasons. One, because it's easier to do thinner coats. If you paint your nail polish on in a very thick coat, the top of it will dry out before the polish that's underneath that skin dries out, and then you get air bubbles. So that's not a good thing. Now, if your polish is a little thicker, it will cover better, but like I said, you'll get air bubbles. So I like my polish to be a little on the thinner side. So that was 2 more drops. Let's see what it looks like. Still pretty thick, but I have had this polish for, goodness, probably 8 or 10 years. Orange is not really my color, so that's why I still have so much of it. Pretty much only break this stuff out for Halloween, you know, as you can see. So it's been around for a while. And sure, I could just buy another orange somewhere, but you know, this is not the only polish I have that's gotten thick over time. So I figured I'll just go on ahead and buy the thinner, and I can save quite a few polishes instead of just buying all new colors. Because, you know, nail polish is expensive, especially when you get good stuff, which I'm not totally convinced that this is. It's a pretty common brand, but it was cheap, and I think I'm going to start shying away from anything that says 5 and 7 chemical free, just because those chemicals apparently need to be there for a reason. There we go. Look at that. See how much more fluid that is? And with it being thick for so long, it's really kind of messed up the brush, but it's fine. Like I said, this is just for Halloween colors, so it'll do. It'll serve its purposes. But there you go. That is how you reconstitute nail polish, or save it, whatever you want to say. But yeah, I'm very happy with that. And I think that we wound up probably using about 10 drops or so. But you can just see how that's much more fluid. So if you have a lot of thick nail polishes, get a nail polish thinner. It's cheap. It's worth it. It only takes a few drops. Don't use acetone. You will ruin your nail polish and you will be very sad. Alright, if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more videos like that, please consider subscribing to my channel. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to like this video. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.